Welcome, students. Now we are going to discuss the chapter The Making of a Scientist. In the previous part, we have discussed the effort of mother in order to increase the learning skill of a bride. After that, we have seen what was the hobby of a bride. In the beginning of his life, he used to collect the butterflies, rocks, etc. In this way, he spent his childhood. One important thing is that when he was in the second standard, second grade, at that time he collected 25 species of butterflies. After that, mother had given him the book. With that book, his curiosity was increased. He was motivated. So we can say that in this way, mother had done a lot of work in order to enhance the learning skill of her son Ebright. Now remember the last scene when Ebright was provoked. Ebright was inspired to tag the butterflies. Now he was focusing on the tagging of butterflies. See in panel number 5 what happened. So the next step for Ebright was to raise a flock of butterflies. He would catch a female monarch, take her eggs, and raise them in his basement through their life cycle from egg to caterpillar to pupa to adult butterfly. So that is the life cycle. That is the life cycle of butterfly. Egg to caterpillar, caterpillar to pupa, finally butterfly. Then he would tag the butterfly's wings and let them go. For several years, his basement was home to thousands of monarchs in different stages of development. So here we are seeing the effort of Ebright. He was collecting the female monarch, then take her eggs and raise them in his basement through their life cycle. Egg to caterpillar, caterpillar to pupa, and pupa to finally butterfly. So he did it, and after that he tagged the butterfly's wings and let them go. Several years he did it. Eventually, I began to lose interest in tagging butterflies. It is tedious. Tedious, you see, too long. Okay, the process is lengthy. It is tedious. That's why his interest was decreasing with the passage of time. There is not much feedback, Ebright said. That was the opinion of Ebright when he was collecting female monarch. Then he saw the whole life cycle of butterfly. After that, he tagged the butterfly's wings. Then he found that this work is tedious. This work is tedious. This work is too long, and the feedback was nothing. So his interest was decreasing. He lost his interest in this. In all, the time I did it, he laughed. Only two butterflies I had tagged were recaptured. As the process was lengthy and he collected only two butterflies, he had tagged only two butterflies, and they were not more than 75 miles from where I lived. So in pair number 5, we have seen the effort of Bright in order to tag butterflies. This was the work of Bright. We also saw that he was not happy, his interest was losing, his interest was disappearing. He lost his interest in this tedious work because the work was tedious one. Now we proceed to next paragraph 6. Then in the 7th grade, he got a hint of what real science is when he entered a county science fair and lost. Remember, we are seeing the development of Bright as a scientist. What were his opinions in the past? These opinions were changing with the passage of time. So he is giving one example. When Bright was in 7th grade, then he got a hint of what real science is. And when he entered a county science fair and lost. It was really a sad feeling to sit there and not get anything while everybody else had won something, Bright said. This is the opinion of Bright in county science fair. He got nothing there. He lost everything there. So he said, it was really sad feeling to sit there and not get anything while everybody else had won something. So here in this county science fair, he lost it. He didn't get anything. That's why he was upset. His entry was slides of frog tissues. That was the project. His entry was slides of frog tissues which he showed under a microscope. He realized the winners had tried to do real experiments. This is the, you can say, the way of Bright as a scientist. He realized if anybody has won the prize in this county science fair, then why he had won? What extraordinary, what uncommon thing he had done, and how he was different from him. What Bright had done there? There was this, he had slides of frog tissues and which he showed under a microscope. He had done only this thing. But later on he realized that winners had tried to do real experiments. They did real experiments. This is the difference between the effort of Bright and others. Not simply make a real display, a neat display. Means winners had tried to do real experiments. They didn't show anything. That is the difference. He realized this. Where? At county science fair. Already the competitive spirit that drives Richard Bright was appearing. Meaning is this, after this county science fair, there was a feeling of competition. The feeling of competition took place in the heart of Bright. I knew that for the next year's fair, I would have to do real experiment, he said. So this was the observation of Bright. This was the realization of Bright that he had to do real experiments, not only to display the things. So we can say in this county sciences fair, Bright had realized his shortcomings. He had understood the difference between him and the winners. Most importantly, the feeling of completion took place in his heart. The subject I knew most about was the insect work I had been doing in the past several years. So he wrote to Dr. Urquhart for ideas, and back came a stack of suggestions for experiments. So this was the another effort of Albright. What he had done, okay, he wrote to Dr. Urquhart for ideas. Now this professor had given suggestions to him. He had suggested him to do experiments. Those kept Albright busy all through high school, led to prize projects in county and the international science fairs. So here Albright got suggestions from the professor Dr. Urquhart, and his ideas inspired him to do a lot of hard work, and due to that he was able to win prizes in county and international science fairs. This happened in 7th grade. Now for his 8th grade project, Albright tried to find the cause of viral disease that kills nearly all monarch caterpillars every few years. Albright thought the disease might be carried by a beetle. He tried raising caterpillars in the presence of beetles. I didn't get any real results, he said, but I went ahead and showed that I had tried the experiment. So in para number 6 we have seen the realization of Albright. He had realized that his work is not extraordinary. He is merely showing or displaying the things. He is not doing real experiments. This was the difference between the winners in county science fair and him. Next, he asked suggestions from Dr. Urquhart. Urquhart suggested him. He told him to do real experiments. In 8th grade, Albright had done so, and he got several prizes in county science fair as well as international science fairs. After that, again he started another project, and for that he did a lot of work. तो पैरा नंबर 6 में हम देखते हैं कि 7th ग्रेड में जब Albright होता है तो वो काउंटी साइंस फेयर में भाग लेता है और वहाँ पे वो कोई प्राइज़ नहीं जीतता है। वहाँ पे जाने के बाद Albright को एहसास होता है कि जो विनर्स हैं उन्होंने रियल एक्सपेरिमेंट किए थे, और Albright ने क्या किया था, केवल जो है स्लाइड ऑफ रॉक टिश्यू शो किया था, इसकी सहायता से, माइक्रोस्कोप की सहायता से। तो उसका ये कार्य जो है विनर के कार्य से अलग नहीं था। ओके, इसीलिए विनर्स को प्राइज़ मिले। इसके बाद Albright ने डॉक्टर उर्कहार्ट को अपने जो भी उसने मेहनत की थी, हार्डवर्क किए थे, उसका पूरा डिटेल भेजता है और उर्कहार्ट से सजेशन मांगता है। तो उर्कहार्ट कहते हैं कि आप जो है रियल एक्सपेरिमेंट करिए। और साथ ही साथ एक चीज़ याद रखना है कि काउंटी साइंस फेयर के बाद, इस घटना के बाद, उनके अंदर जो है कंपटीशन की भावना जो है जागृत होती है 8th ग्रेड में। और एक चीज़ और याद रखना है, इसके बाद इन्होंने डॉक्टर उर्कहार्ट के आइडियाज़ को फॉलो किया, उनके सजेशंस को फॉलो किया, और इसके बाद वे जो है काउंटी साइंस फेयर में, इंटरनेशनल साइंस फेयर में क्या है कई प्राइज़ जीते। इसके बाद 8th ग्रेड में उन्होंने अपना जो है दूसरा प्रोजेक्ट लिया, जिसमें ये पता लगाने की कोशिश की कि कॉज ऑफ ए वाइल्ड डिजीज डैट किल्स नियरली ऑल मोनार्क कैटरपिलर्स एवरी फ्यू ईयर्स। तो ये प्रोजेक्ट था, इस पर उन्होंने काम करना शुरू किया।